This question says, consider the polynomial fx equals to 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 4x cubed. Let s be the sum of all distinct real roots of fx and let d equals to modulus of s. The real number s lies in the interval. We are given fx equals to 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 4x cubed. So f dash x will turn out 2 plus 6x plus 12x square. This is definitely greater than 0. If f dash x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R, so we can definitely say fx is an increasing function. Now if fx is an increasing function, we can also say that this function will cross x-axis once. Therefore, this can have one real root. And it is also clear that fx cannot have a positive real root. Now, one thing we can do is in order to find the interval in which the root lies, we are doing this f of minus 3 by 4. This turns out to be 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 27 by 16 minus 27 by 16. This is minus half, so this is negative value. And f of minus half, this is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 3 by 4 minus half. This is 1 by 4. So this is positive. So we can definitely say that fx has a root in minus 3 by 4 comma minus half. So the correct answer is option C, minus 3 by 4 minus half.